Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a Sanrio paper blind bag. It is super easy to make, so let's begin to the tutorial. For the supplies you need paper, scissors, tape, stuffing, colors markers, black pen and black marker. First, you need an A4 paper and then fold it in half. After that, take a black pen or black marker and draw out your design. You can design any Sanrio drawing you want for your blind bag. When you're done drawing your design, you have to seal the sides with tape. Now you have finally made your Sanrio blind bag. Now take a piece of paper and then fold it in half. After that, cut a small piece of paper for the paper squishy. Now you're gonna draw out your design. I draw Pom Pom Pooin. You can do any Sanrio character you want and then color it up. After coloring, seal the paper with tape and seal all the sides with tape. Now seal the bottom part with tape for the paper squishy. After sealing the bottom part, you have to stuff the paper squishy. You can use plastic bags or cotton to stuff with it. After stuffing, seal the last part with a piece of tape. Now finally, your paper squishy is done. I made 2 more paper squishies. You can make as many paper squishies you want for the blind bag. Now take another piece of paper folded in half and then take one of your paper squishy, cut out the sides for the paper squishy packaging. After that, draw a question mark sign on the paper and seal the sides with a piece of tape. After sealing the sides, take your paper squishy, put it in, and then seal the last part of the paper packaging with a piece of tape. Now do the same thing for the other paper squishy. Now for the checklist, take a small piece of paper and write down your Sanrio characters. Now cut the remaining sides of the paper and finally your checklist is done. Now for the last part, take a small piece of paper folded in half and write down your rarity. I am doing epic. You can do common, rare, legendary, it's your choice. Now finally, you're gonna stuff all your paper things you made in the blind bag. And then seal the blind bag with a piece of tape. Finally, our Sanrio blind bag is done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.